I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make dark chocolate brownies. First, select a premium dark chocolate, ideally with at least 70% cacao content, for that deep, intense flavor. Gently melt your butter and chocolate together over low heat or in a double boiler, ensuring it's smooth and glossy. This careful melting prevents any graininess. Next, whisk in some unsweetened cocoa powder to amplify the chocolate notes even further, creating a truly decadent base for your brownies. Now let's get our wet ingredients ready. In a separate bowl, whisk your eggs and sugar together until they are light, pale, and fluffy. This step is crucial for achieving that desirable chewy texture. Next, combine your dry ingredients, flour, a pinch of salt, and a touch of baking powder in another bowl. Finally, carefully fold the wet and dry mixtures together. Be gentle. Overmixing can develop the gluten too much, leading to dense, tough brownies instead of fudgy ones. Once your batter is perfectly mixed, pour it into a parchment-lined 9 by 13-inch baking pan. This lining makes removing your brownies incredibly easy later on. Bake them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the edges are set, but the center still looks a little fudgy. The most important step for fudgy brownies is patience. Let them cool completely in the pan before slicing. This ensures they set properly and cut cleanly. To truly elevate your dark chocolate brownies, a sprinkle of flaky sea salt just before serving can really enhance their deep, complex flavors. For an even richer experience, consider folding in some extra dark chocolate chips or chunks into the batter before baking. These melt into pockets of pure chocolate bliss. And hey, while you're enjoying these delicious treats, why not let a robot handle the cleanup? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your perfect dark chocolate brownies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.